Hey everyone, wanted to show a quick video on how I cut the card. Okay, so you're going to take your 6x6 piece of paper. So Stampin' Up! Has double-sided paper. And all of the colors in the paper coordinate with cardstock. So that's how I pull the cardstock color that I want to choose, because I look at the paper stack, and on the label on the paper stack it lists all the colors. So we have Purple Posy, Mossy Meadow, Blackberry Bliss, Daffodil Delight, and Blue. It almost looks like a pretty peacock. So you're going to put your paper along the top of your trimmer at 3 3/4. So now you have your piece for your envelope and your card front and the little piece for the inside of your card. So you're then going to take this paper and rotate it and put it on the 5. Nice and straight along the top. And lift that up. So this one you can leave at 1 inch, or you can put it in here and cut it into 2 1/2-inch pieces. That's what I did here. 2 1/2-inch pieces instead of 1 bigger piece. So I'm going to leave it as an inch piece because I'm going to make this card sideways in landscape portion. So let's get rid of the trimmer here. Okay, so we have our card base. I did the card base in Purple Posy. So it's half of a piece of cardstock, so 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, and it's scored, excuse me, scored at 2 1/4. So essentially it's just folded in half. I then have my cardstock layer at 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm going to grab my snail. And just layer that on my card base. So remember, 2 corners, watch your 3 sides. If those are even, then you're going to get a nice even space down here. So take our adhesive. Same thing, just layer that up. Perfect. So then I take a white piece and I cut it at the exact same size as your designer series paper. So 3 1/4 by 5. And then I'm going to take my extra scrap piece here. I'm just going to put it along the side. And we're going to adhere that. Inside the card. And then I'm going to take my greeting. If flowers were hugs, I'd send you 1,000. And this is from the stamp set Abstract Impressions. And then I just cut it out on our stitched oval. So I'm going to pop that up with some dimensionals. Let's see, where do I want to put this? In the middle? I'm going to put it down here. Don't want to hide this beautiful purple paper. So then we're going to grab our envelope. So these are Stampin' Up! Whisper White envelopes. If your paper has Very Vanilla in it, you just use a Very Vanilla. So you're going to open up your flap. So this is where your card goes in. Turn it around. You're going to run your snail adhesive all the way around. Then you take your paper and you line your edge up with the crease here. So now you have that on your flap, and then you're just going to take your scissors and you're going to cut all the excess off. Just kind of guide your scissors along the edge of the envelope, and you're done. So now you have a coordinating envelope to go with your beautiful card. Quick and easy. That's why I love this layout. You can just pump out all the cards. No hoarding your DSP. It's perfect. Thanks. Bye.